To create a Wix website on mobile, start by downloading the Wix mobile app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and click on Create a Website. You will be asked to sign in or create a new account, so choose the option that applies to you. After signing in, you will be taken to the Wix editor where you can choose a template for your website. Browse through the various categories and select a template that suits your needs. You can also start from scratch if you prefer. Once you have selected a template, you can start customizing it by adding your own text, images, and other elements. Use the drag and drop feature to add new elements to your website and arrange them as you like. To add text, click on the text icon and type in your content. You can also change the font, size, and color of your text to match your brand. To add images, click on the image icon and select from the Wix library or upload your own. As you build your website, make sure to keep it mobile-friendly by using the mobile preview feature. This will show you how your website looks on different mobile devices and allow you to make adjustments as needed. When you are happy with your website, click on the Publish button to make it live. You will be asked to choose a domain name and select a plan that suits your needs. Follow the prompts to complete the process and your website will be live. To ensure your website is successful, make sure to keep it updated with fresh content and use search engine optimization techniques to improve your ranking. You can also use the Wix Analytics tool to track your website traffic and make data-driven decisions. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking Wix website on mobile that meets your needs and helps you achieve your goals. Remember to keep it simple, mobile-friendly, and engaging, and you will be on your way to creating a successful website.